In the 1.9 release, we are bringing a new component in the Glossary UI that will help users understand the workflow progress, failures, and task creation. We start by clicking on Govern and Glossary. We want to add a new glossary, give it a name, e-commerce. We give it a description, custom e-commerce glossary terms. We want to add reviewers, and we can select from a predefined team, in this case customer. You'll note that it displays here. Click Save. Now we want to add a term to this glossary. We click Add Term. We'll call this credit card. We'll give it a description. It's a credit card term. And we'll just click Save. It is now in a draft state, and we can see the progress of what needs to happen. Now we can see it has moved to a review state. We look at this, and we can see the different steps that have gone on in the workflow history. This is part of the enhancement. Now let's click on the term. Note that this is only going to happen with newly created terms and not for previously existing glossary terms. So if we go over to the activity feed and tasks, so let's see what's happened here. We have glossary term created or updated. Term has reviewers. Term updated by is a rechecked if the glossary term is ready to be reviewed, and set the status to in review. And we created a user approval task. This all happened automatically. And by being able to look at this, we see exactly what's been going on and what's left to do. Now let's take a look at the activity feed over here. Let's look at the tasks. And we can see the approval task is required still, but I don't have permission to do it. I'm not a reviewer. What's interesting is that we are mapping these stages just as they would happen in the workflows we have here. If we look at our glossary approval workflow, we can see the decision tree that Collate goes through to make a decision. Now, if we click on one of these, we can actually modify what's involved in this step. Now remember, we set that description, and because that description is set, it requires that it be reviewed. If we remove the description, then this step won't trigger. And there we have it. With our new glossary term workflows, you're able to see exactly where you are in the process and expedite any changes that might need to be happening or approvals that might be needed. Come and try it for yourself.